a beacon of progress, the Cement Factory in Palanog, Camalig. Rising from the fertile plains of Albay, the Cement Factory in Palanog, Camalig stands as a testament to both industry and community spirit. More than just a sprawling complex churning out concrete, it's a heartbeat of progress for the entire Bicol region. Its impact is felt far beyond the factory gates. The concrete road stretching from Camalig's bustling town center to the factory in Palanog is a tangible symbol of this influence. It's not just a thoroughfare, it's a lifeline, connecting communities and fostering economic growth. The factory itself is a source of pride for the local residents. It provides employment opportunities, empowering families and fostering a sense of economic security. The factory's commitment to the community is evident in its efforts to create a positive working environment and support local initiatives. Beyond the immediate benefits, the Cement Factory plays a crucial role in driving down cement prices in surrounding towns. This accessibility to affordable building materials fuels construction projects, leading to the development of homes, infrastructure, and economic opportunities. Visitors, drawn to the factory's imposing presence and the bustling energy of its operations, often find themselves captivated by its sheer scale and the intricate process of cement production. The factory's operations are a testament to human ingenuity and the power of industry to transform landscapes. Operating 24/7, the Cement Factory is a constant reminder of the tireless efforts driving progress in the region. It stands as a symbol of Bicol's ambition, its determination to build a brighter future for its people. This factory, much more than a cement producer, is a beacon of hope, an embodiment of the community's collective spirit.